this is the rice. It's so fluffy. This is eggs fried rice. Delicious egg fried rice. Hello everyone, welcome to Joy Cooking Show. Today we have this great recipe, eggs fried rice. So these are the eggs and these are the cooked rice, onions, bell pepper, and we also have a bonchor. So watch out and see how I am going to create this very wonderful recipe, easy to prepare and easy to cook. So please, if you are new on my channel, you are very welcome, and my name is Joy. And please always do me a favor to share this video and also give me a thumbs up. Thank you all, and watch out and see how I am going to start with this eggs. So right now we just have to break some of these eggs. Very easy. Just take out all these eggs, and you can also use that. Not going to use too much of these eggs. It depends on the rice. If the rice is a lot, you can use a lot of egg. If it's not too much, you can just use 2 or 3. Even 1 piece of egg is enough. So these are the eggs. Right now I'm just going to mix all the eggs together. I'm not going to add anything to these eggs because I'm going to be adding everything in the rice. So I'm not going to add anything. So this is the eggs, is already mixed. So this is the hot pan I will be using for this eggs fried rice. Right away I'm just going to add a little bit of oil. Don't use too much oil when you are making your egg fried rice. So this is enough for this cooking. And right now I'm just going to be adding these eggs. Just going to add this egg. And the only thing I will be adding to this very egg right now, I'm just going to add some seasoning to this egg. That's it. Just a seasoning. That's enough. Just let it cook, and I will be taking them out. Okay, just make it as a scramble egg. So this is it. It's just gonna be very easy. It's one of the rice you enjoy eating. So this is it. It's cooked already. Right now I'm just gonna take it out. Just gonna take it out. You see, that is how to make your egg for egg fried rice. That's it. So right now, the next thing we're just going to be doing is to add a little bit of oil again. Like that. And we're just going to be adding all this onion. Just let the onions caramelize just a little bit. To make it quicker for caramelize it is to add a little bit of salt, just a little bit. That's it. Let it caramelize for a few minutes. So these are the onions. It's partially caramelized. We just want it to release some sugar from these very onions. That is it now. Right away, I'm just going to be adding this chopped bell pepper as the red one. You can use any color you want. This is this. Okay. This is how you make your egg fried rice. So just add this. Right now, I'm just going to be adding all the ingredients we want to this egg fried rice. Right now, I'm just going to be adding seasoning. 2 teaspoons of seasoning is enough. And I'm going to add crushed chili pepper. 1 tablespoon of it is enough. Depends on how you like pepper. So this is salt. We're just gonna have a little bit of salt, not too much of salt. Remember, we already caramelized the onions with salt. So this is it. Right now, you have to add the rice. These are the rice. You just have to add everything. Make sure your rice, if you need a lot of rice, you have more egg. This is just 1 cup of rice. You don't have to do more than the egg you want. So this is how you do it. Just mix everything together. You're not going to add any form of any liquid. So now it's going to soak on the bell pepper and the onions. That will be enough to make it perfect for the sweetness. So this is it. We just let it cook for at least 2 minutes. Then we add the eggs and we garnish it with butter chop. So this is it. So fluffy. So right now we're just gonna be adding all the eggs. These are all the eggs. Just gonna be adding all the eggs. This is the eggs. This is it. This is the eggs fried rice. See, these are all the chunky eggs with the fried rice. It's so good. So this is the rice. It's so fluffy. This is eggs fried rice. Delicious egg fried rice. It's so fluffy. So right now we're just gonna have the chopped bonchon. You can have any leaf, any form of leaf you want. You can have it. Not so much, so you don't overpower all the ingredients. So this is it. It's cooked now. It's time to serve. This is one of the rice you will enjoy eating. So fluffy. So this is it. This is how you make your egg fried rice. Right now it's time to serve this food. So this is the eggs fried rice. Very fluffy and it's cooked. Right now we just have to serve it. Just gonna be serving this rice. These are the white bowl I will be using for the serving. Just gonna serve it. So good. So this is it. This is the eggs fried rice. It's ready to eat. Hope you all will enjoy this recipe. Easy and very quick recipe. Good for lunch, dinner, even breakfast. Who knows? So this is it. You all are welcome to my channel, Joy Cooking Show, and please subscribe to this channel and also give me a thumbs up. This is one of the Christmas rice you can also make. Easy side dish for Christmas. So welcome you all to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. This is it. Thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel and also give me a thumbs up and share these videos for others to see. Bye for now. I will see you with another wonderful great recipe. Thank you.